Now it is time to learn about inserting a chart and customizing a chart and inserting an image. And for example, if you like to insert a logo here on a left corner, how to insert the image and inserting a chart for your data. Okay, if you like to represent the data in terms of the charts, how to add a chart? First, what we have to do, we have to select the data, which date for which data you would like to insert a chart. For example, I say location wise sales for these two column, location and sales for these two column. I would like to insert a chart. I would like to insert a chart. We'll go to insert, select those two column, go to insert chart, select the chart. The by default it has been applied a column chart, right? By default it is applied a column chart. What we can do, we can say line chart. Here come to the chart type in a setup, chart editor. Okay, setup here, like line chart, you can select a line chart, or you can select a area chart, column chart, pie chart. Based on your requirement, you can select the chart type here. Okay, you can select any type of the chart here. Even maps also, if you have a locations, if you are able to locate, then you can select a map also. You can see here by default it is located as a Mumbai. Okay, and you can insert the other charts also, time, pie chart, every chart you can insert. Here we will take a column chart. Okay, stacking, standard stacking I will take, or 100% stack. Okay, then all will be added together. We will not take 100%, we'll take a standard chart. Okay, then x is the location. Yes, aggregate is nothing but all Bangalore, all are taken as an individual. Previously, it was when we haven't selected aggregate, individual entries were there, right? For Bangalore, 5 entries, Gujarat 1 entry, Hyderabad 3 entry, like that. When moment we have selected a aggregate, all added together, all the Bangalore added together here, Gujarat added together, like that. And then it comes to the, like, if you like to make a sum or average of sales in a Bangalore, or if you like to represent the total sales happened in a each city, like that, you have to select which operator you would like to select. And then you can switch rows and columns, in the sense what will happen, all will be, sales will be here, everything will be represented here. Okay, we don't want to do that one. And this is about a stacked column chart, how to modify. For example, if you selected a, now instead of a stacked column, if you are selecting a pie chart, it will be looks like this. Okay, instead of pie chart, if you like to represent a in a bar chart, it will look like this. And you can change the chart color also here. You can see here, this is a chart style. Okay, you can change the chart format, color you can select. Okay, so that you can select the color and you can change the color of that particular bar also. Okay, this is about a inserting a chart. And if you are not able to see this one, here three dots are there, go there, click on that three dots and say edit chart. For example, if you click on a chart but chart editors are not displaying here at that particular time, three dots are there on a chart, select the three dots and say edit chart. Okay, you can edit a background also. You can edit a background, like uh, you can say chart style, you can select, you can change the color of the background. Okay, background color you can change, the border color you can change. Okay, chart border color. And chart axis also, you can change the chart axis, like title of the chart, chart title, if you require you can give the title for the chart. Okay, like this you can give the title for the chart also. And here legends are nothing but a, these things are called as a legends. Okay, you can say that okay, legends should be on a right, so that the sales will be given here. Or you can say no, I don't want those legends. And you can change all the, here in customize you can change all the chart style, background, everything you can change. Grid line, if you like to take off the grid line, okay, grid line will be taken off. You can give the grid line also, major, minor grid line. Okay, so these lines will be added so that you can track which level is the 10,000, which level is the 15,000, like that. Okay, you can edit this grid line. And you can, if you like to delete the chart, then here three dots, delete chart. You can download the chart in a png or a pdf. Okay, and you can publish chart directly on a web, or you can copy the chart to the different platform like a presentation or somewhere you can copy, and move to the own sheet. Other sheet you can also move. Okay, move to the other sheet also, make it as a separate sheet. Okay, that one also will be possible. Delete, download, or publish the chart, or edit the chart, like this we can do. Okay, this is about inserting a chart. Next it comes to the inserting a image. How to insert a image? For example, here I would like to insert a image. We can go to insert image. You can insert an image in a cell, in the sense within that particular cell itself it will be inserted, or over the cell, or bigger image if you like to insert, then over the cell. First we'll try with the image in a cell. It will go to your drive. You can browse from the your laptop, or you can go to the Google Drive where you have been stored the images. Go to recent one, we'll select one image, insert. The image is inserted within that particular cell itself. Can you able to see here, within that cell itself it has been inserted. For example, over the, if you selected insert image over the cell, it will select in a entire document. Insert, the full size image will be inserted now. Okay, then again you can select the image, and you can modify the size by click and drag the corners. And by using these three dots you can replace or delete or reset the size, or you can make it as a, in a cell, a selected cell is nothing but within that particular cell itself it will be replaced, like this only. And you can alternative text also you can give for the image. You can write some description about that, and title for the image also you can give. Okay, this is about inserting a image and inserting a chart and managing a charts. Okay,